Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Frontech UPS Mars 725. Its model number is JIL 2527. I have purchased it from Frontech India. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and here this is the product. It is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out, and it is sealed from all sides as a sign of its authenticity. And there are many specifications about the product, and here it has got a maintenance free battery with LED indicator, power switch, and it is generator compatible. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and it is a very fantastic product. And now these are the specifications about the product. It has a nominal voltage of 220 to 240 VAC. The voltage range is 140 to 300 VAC. It has a frequency of 50 Hz. The output voltage is 220 to 240 VAC. In battery mode, it has a frequency of 50 Hz. Waveform is simulated sine wave. The transfer time is 4 minutes. It got say overload protection and circuit breaker, and the output socket is 3N. And here I am opening the product. There are other specifications, and it has a battery of 12 volt, and the battery type is 7Ah. And here this is the power cord. It is black in color, and now I am opening it, and here I am taking it out, and it is packed in thermocol. Thermocol is used on both sides so that the product may not get damaged during seepage. And this is the user manual, and here there are instructions how to use the product, and here there are different instructions that how you should use the product. And here I am opening it. There are different instructions. There are LED instruction, troubleshooting instructions, and other text specification about its operation. And here these are the warranty instructions about the warranty and e-waste management, how to manage the waste and how to recycle the product. And here these are the service centers, and this is the product manual. And here now I am opening it, and here I have opened one thermocol, and this is another, and this is the UPS. It is black in color with a 3-pin plug-in, and here I am taking out the UPS. It's a line interactive UPS, and in addition to that it is a maintenance free battery. It has got LED indicator, power switch, and is compatible with the generator, and comes with a 2-year warranty and 1-year warranty on battery. And here this is the power switch, and I am pressing it, and when you press on the power switch the LED will glow. It weighs about 4 kg and has a recharge time of 8 hours. It is black in color and is very tough and durable. And here on this side you can see there are 3 outlet sockets, and it has got a 3-pin plug-in with a black AC input power cord, and it is very tough. It has a capacity of 650 by 360 VA. The nominal input voltage ranges from 220 to 240 VAC, and the voltage range is 140 to 300 VAC. It has a auto sensing frequency of 50 Hz by 60 Hz. The output voltage ranges from 220 to 240 VAC, and the waveform is in the form of the simulated sine wave in battery mode. And here this is the UPS. It is very nice, and here there are models and there are other instructions about the product, and it is a very nice product, very tough and very durable. The UPS will provide a runtime of 30 minutes. The battery is sealed acid type, and the battery recharge time is 8 hours. It has a physical dimension of 87 into 165 into 276 mm. It has a weight of about 4 kg. And here this is the power cord. It is black in color. It has got a 3-pin plug-in, and now I am going to plug it into the electricity board. And here this is the electricity board, and now I am going to plug it into the electricity board. And here this is the UPS, and here I have plugged it into the electricity board, and now I have switched on the switch, and here I have pressed the power button, and when you press on the power button, the LED will glow, and here I am pressing the power button, and here the LED is glowing. It is green in color, and it means the UPS is working and it is in perfect condition. There are different definitions for LED indications. When the LED is on and the alarm is off, it means that the battery is in normal condition. When the LED flashes and the alarm is beeps one time every 30 seconds, it means that utility failure and the UPS is providing battery power to the outlet. If the LED is flashing and the alarm beeps every 2 seconds, it indicates that the battery will run out of power shortly. If there is only on flash and the alarm beeps one time in every 0.5 second, it means that their overload has occurred and some equipments need to be taken off, and the UPS has to be turned off for some time. To maintain the optimal battery charge, you have to leave the battery plugged to the AC outlet. It can be automatically regulate the voltage fluctuation and has a wide range of input. It is microcontroller based and is generator compatible. It has a maintenance free and heavy duty battery. When the power switch is pressed on, the LED light will illuminate. To store the UPS for an extended period, it should be covered and the battery should be fully charged every 3 months to ensure the battery life. It comes with a user manual featuring the best class in the UPS. It provides outstanding fire resistant capability to minimize the possible damage of your valuable assets. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.